Welcome to this lesson, Hard Work Pays. Remember in our previous lesson we discussed about price determination. Today's lesson is on the nature of the Nigerian economy. The objectives for this lesson are: you should be able to understand the nature and structure of the Nigerian economy, the economic activities of the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria, and the nature and structure of industries in Nigeria. What is the nature of the Nigerian economy? Before the advent of oil, which is petroleum, agriculture was the mainstay of Nigeria's economy. Nigeria has been facing political instability, corruption, inadequate infrastructure, and poor macroeconomic management. Nigeria's former leaders failed to diversify the economy away from its overdependence on the capital-intensive oil sector, which provides 95% of foreign exchange earnings and about 80% of budgetary revenues. Following the debt relief from the Paris Club, Nigeria have started making reforms aimed at economic development system, removal of subsidies, and resolving regional disputes over the distribution of earnings from the oil industry. The government is working towards developing stronger public-private partnership for roads, agriculture, and power. All these plans will help to transform the Nigeria economy to greater heights. Nigeria has the potential to be fastest growing economy and rank 13th among the world's top 20 economies from now to 2050. Nigeria is projected to rank 13th among the world's largest economies by 2050 if it can realize its full potential. According to the report, a growing prime working age population, together with rising average rate of schooling and technological progress, drives Nigeria's strong growth prospects. However, the report's projections rely on the country using its oil wealth to develop a broader-based economy with better infrastructure and institutions which will support long-term productivity growth. Nigeria is also the seventh largest oil exporter in the world. I hope you now understand the nature of the Nigerian economy. Now, students, we are going to be looking at the economic activities of the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria. We have the Northwest Geopolitical Zone. The states that are found in this zone include Sokoto, Zamfara, Kebbi, Katsina, Jigawa, Kano, and Kaduna states. The economic activities of this zone are mainly farming, fishing, livestock rearing, especially in cattle, sheep, and goats. We have the Northeast Geopolitical Zone. This is also located in the northern part of the country. It consists of the following states. These are Yobe, Borno, Bauchi, Gombe, Adamawa, and Taraba states. The major economic activities of this zone include farming, fishing, livestock production, and so on. We have the North Central Geopolitical Zone. The zone represents the middle belt of Nigeria, comprising of Benue, Kogi, Nasarawa, Niger, and Plateau states. The main activities here are farming, fishing, hunting, trading, blacksmithing, and so on. We also have the Southwest Geopolitical Zones made up of Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, and Ondo states. The zone is endowed with both agricultural and commercial activities. We have the Southeast Geopolitical Zone. This zone is made up of five Igbo-speaking states of the country. They are Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Abia, and Ebonyi states. The main economic activities of this zone are farming, like palm oil, rubber, cola, and so on. We have the South-South Geopolitical Zone. The South-South Geopolitical Zone comprising of the six oil-producing states of the Niger Delta. These states are Edo, Delta, Rivers, Bayelsa, Cross River, and Akwa Ibom states. The major economic activity of this zone include the production of crude oil known as petroleum, limestone in Edo. Now let us look at the nature of industries in Nigeria. We have the primary industry. These industries are concerned with the extraction of raw materials provided by nature. Examples are mining, fishing, lumbering, farming. We have the secondary industries. These industries turn raw materials into consumable or finished goods. Examples are construction, building, etc. And we have the tertiary industries. These industries are concerned with the rendering of services. It could be direct services like trading, banking, teaching, medical, and transportation. Thank you for watching.